Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Drell here at Set Apart Gardens, man. Today I'm going to be doing a rooster butcher. Got my brother Rakeem here with me. He's going to be helping me out. And so these are the two butchers. The two roosters that I'm going to butcher. I got a third one that I want to try to butcher if I can catch him. But for right now, we're doing these two. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we got our pot. We got our pot boiling, getting up the temperature. Guess what we got? We got our chicken plucker. This is a yard bird. Excuse them in the background. We finna shut them up in a minute. But we got this yard bird chicken plucker. Gonna make our job a lot easier. Gut bucket. We got our table set up. All right, y'all. So always remember, a sharp knife is a humane knife. Here we have them in the killing cone. This is a Wright Farm Products Poultry killing cone. You can get off Amazon, but this is what I'm using. Basically what it does is when you put the chicken in here, it sedates him because he's upside down. So he's sedated, he's relaxed right now. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right here under the jawline. We're gonna come right here under the jawline and we're just gonna make an incision. So if you don't wanna see this part, fast forward it. I'm giving you a warning right now. Just let them bleed out. Those are the nerves. What you gotta say to the camera? What you gotta say to the people on YouTube? What do you want to say to the camera?
About your friend.
Chicken day!
Happy chicken day?
That'll work.
Alright, y'all, it's time to dunk them now. You see those feathers easily coming off? That's how you know. You're just about ready. This is what you left with. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. Pluck. Pluck perfectly. All it took was 30 seconds. Now y'all seen me do this by hand and it takes way longer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut these feet off real quick and I'm gonna give them to my dog. Jay, let's get the feet to my dog. Jay.
Kill all of them.
He tearing that foot up, y'all. He tearing that foot up. Wow, he love that. He in heaven. Chase, you tearing that foot up, ain't it? All right, so brother Rakeem, how was that seeing a chicken die for the first time?
Man, it was surprising just how quick it went. You know, 1 second he was running around here, the next second, you see him. You see him.
Y'all see him. 2 down, 1 left to go.
Another one down there.
I'm gonna take the rest of these feet off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the heads off as well, and I'm gonna eviscerate, take all the organs out, separate the organ meat, because of course I'm gonna give them to my dog Chase, because I'm feeding him a raw food diet. I'm gonna do a video about that and everything like that. But so that's what I'm about to do. So y'all can watch along. You got a weak stomach, fast forward it, turn it off, whatever you want to do. But that's what I'm about to do. Here, that's the gallbladder. That's the gall. You don't want that. This is a gizzard.
Okay.
You ever had gizzards?
Mm-hmm.
This is why they're so tough, because the gizzard is what actually breaks down the food as well. So it goes in the craw and the gizzard breaks it down. So like when I open up the gizzard, you'll see it has.
Okay. Yep.
Boom. Voila, gizzard. It's all for Chase. Alright y'all, I appreciate y'all for sticking to the end of this video, man. So basically what we just did was took 3 roosters that was just running around, literally, that was just around in my yard, and we just transformed them into food for my family, for my dog. I got the organ meats, I got the chicken heads, I got the chicken feet, and I got the organ meats for my dog. So that way he's eating healthy and clean as well. But man, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a second to do that. Alright, appreciate it. And you know, just become a part of the 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 family, man. And like I always like to say, if you give somebody the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve you. Peace and blessings.
Bombs over Baghdad really ain't that bad. Little wiretap, yes, yes. Little dodge in the IRS. Little haven from the taxman.